Hello, welcome. You're watching Business Today. This is Aastha Chopra. Today we have with us Mr. Karan Virwani, who's the MD CEO of WeWork. Karan, first of all, many congratulations on your IPO announcement, and it was lovely that we came here and we had a chance to connect with you. First of all, we would love to hear from you that how are you planning to use the IPOs going forward, and how excited are you for this?
I'm firstly, thank you for having me and being here. We are extremely excited, obviously, to get this huge milestone underway. It's been a long journey, actually a short journey of 8 years where a lot of things have happened. And to be at this point, I think we're just truly grateful to be here. The idea with the IPO, which is largely, or not largely, it's completely an OFS, is to really return a lot of the capital that was invested by Embassy and WeWork over the last few years when the business went through a lot of risky times, and be able to return that capital so that we can deploy it back into the Embassy group and actually strengthen the business and continue to grow the entire platform that we have. It's also a great moment for the company because the business itself is self-sustaining, actually generating huge amounts of cash flow that is yeah. So the business is at a point where it's fully self-sustaining, and we've actually de-risked the business over the last 7 years where we've been through all of the different challenges, and today, we see a very bright future for the company. So going IPO now and bringing on investors, institutional as well as public and retail investors, at a point where not only is the industry just at the start of growth, we think that there's immense potential over the next 5 to 10 years in this business. And anyone coming in at this point is going to come into a platform that is really going to enable or be part of India's entire growth journey, because for India to reach where it needs to reach, entrepreneurship is going to happen, business activity is going to increase, companies are going to keep hiring in India for the talent that they need, and for all of that they need much more flexible, dynamic workspaces, something that you feel great about coming to every day when you're building your business, and we want to just continuously keep providing that.
Also, Karan, briefly we'll discuss what is your current rate occupancy and targets going forward in the say next 5 years.
Yeah. So look, the occupancy, while we're a growing platform, will keep seeing changes depending on the moment in time. If we ever stop adding capacity, the occupancy ramps up very quickly. Today our mature buildings are already upwards of 80% occupancy. Our ramping up centers are ramping up faster than planned, so the impact that it's having on occupancy just gets lower and lower. We've have buildings, and historically when we've not actually grown as much, we've seen all the portfolio occupancy reach 90 or over 90%. But I think as we continue to bring on capacity each month or almost each quarter, our focus will be on holding this healthy 80% occupancy while continuing to grow the business. And even at that 80 plus occupancy, which today is delivering, roughly 22% EBITDA margins, we think that over time the margin will expand slightly, where even with the growth and even while holding occupancy, you will see margin expansion in the business.
And targets in next 5 years?
I can't give you any, forecasted numbers, but we've been sustaining a 20-ish% growth rate over the last few years. We will try to sustain that as much as possible. If demand continues to increase like it has last year, maybe it will go slightly above. But we are not in chasing growth for the sake of chasing growth. We are focused on bottom line and bottom line growth really. So whatever is going to be best for making profits in the business, we will do that.
Before I let you go, Karan, just one question. Any international expansion plans and expansion plans, if you might, in India, if you would like to share a light on?
Nothing internationally. We, under the WeWork India platform, have the exclusive rights of using the brand within India itself. And to be honest, we don't even feel the need to look outside India, because the amount of growth, the potential, the activity in India is just huge. And today we have about 8 million square foot of space as WeWork. The overall grade A market is 880 million. We are not even 1% right now of the current market, at this scale. So we think that there's more than enough to do just in India for now.
Well, that was awesome listening to you. Thank you, some wonderful insights, and we hope to see you in the listing very soon. Thank you and congrats once again.